My video guide will help you to remove the ransomware called FreeWorld. Not sure why it is called like that, but this is the ransomware that I found on the Virus Total database. Now, my video is only for the educational purposes. I'm not related to this ransomware, and I am not promoting this ransomware. In the video, I will show you the negative impact of this ransomware on the files, and will give you some recommendations on how to protect your files. I cannot help you recover your files, unfortunately. So before the ransomware attack, we were able to open our files without any troubles. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this FreeWorld ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the system. So then very soon users realize that they can no longer access their data because of this FreeWorld ransomware. The ransomware encrypts files and damages them considerably. It then appends a special extension to the file names. So people suddenly may realize that something bad has taken place with their data. The ransomware actually appends this special extension to the file names, and the extension is called FreeWorldEncryption. It also reveals this ransom note freeworldcontact.txt. The ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. However, paying the ransom is certainly not a good idea. Don't waste your money and don't pay that ransom. I recommend you to urgently and immediately remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus software, and I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. You may get Combo Cleaner through the official site combocleaner.com. But to get there, you will need to use your Internet Explorer browser, because other browsers and their desktop shortcuts could also be damaged by this FreeWorld ransomware. So go to the page combocleaner.com, combocleaner.com. Wait until it gets loaded. Because of this ransomware, the system may function in a very slow manner. Download the application, install it, and then start researching your system. Click on Start Scan button. The software is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. And then the scanning will begin. As I said, this ransomware appends this special extension, FreeWorldEncryption, to the file names. And when you try to open the file, it reveals this ransom note. Do not pay the ransom. Once again, I urge you not to do that, because if you pay the ransom, there is no guarantee that your data would be recovered. I also want to emphasize your attention on the fact that Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. It has got anti-ransomware feature. This feature helps to remove this ransomware and to protect the data, but it does not decrypt the files. At the end of the scanning, you will see the generalized summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Some threats can be removed manually, but we recommend that you upgrade to the premium license. With premium license, as I said, you can always request for the free trial, and the premium license will also help to protect your data from further ransomware attacks. Once again, Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files, but in the description to this video you may find a special link which will give you more information on how to remove this ransomware and how to possibly protect your files and how to possibly recover your files. So just follow that link and you will find more facts about this ransomware and ways to possibly recover your data. Also, upgrade to premium and request for free trial. It will help you to remove this ransomware absolutely for free.